Agbachapuchu. Agbachapundas.
Mother, when will the river choose me? I feel it strongly inside me, like a feeling before a big rain.
Amuma, my daughter. Patience. Patience. Everything has its own time. The river is never in a hurry. And little by little, the birds build their nest. Moreover, Amuma, your elder sister Oleu is in a better position because she is the first child.
But mother, being the first doesn't mean being the best. Mother, I have the strength and desire to serve the river more than her. The only thing she does is cook, prepare herbs, and gossip all day with her friend.
Amuma.
Amuma, this is not something you can force. If the river wants you, it will show us.
My daughters, waters that overboil makes tasteless soup.
Hello there, my friend. Your touch has so much healing powers. Even the bitter leaves smells good once you handle them.
You praise me too much, Ifejora. But you know, these plants have their own powers, just like we get our powers from our ancestors.
That's true, my friend. But like the old people say, where the old yam stands, the new one grows. You will be a wonderful priestess, just like your mother. Your heart is as pure as the water from a clean springs.
I don't know. I don't know, Ifejora. I feel like my path is different. I have no desire to become the next water priestess. And for the fact that my mother keeps saying I won't be allowed to get married or bear children.
But why? Why is that so?
She says the position of the water priestess lasts for 3 generations. And the last water priestess of the 3rd generation is not allowed to get married or bear a child to allow smooth transition of power into the next family.
I think I understand now. Though the power is going to suit you very well. But you should let your heart guide you.
Okay.
Are you done?
Yes.
Mother, please tell me again how the river shows is. What sign will you see and what kind of person does the goddess like?
Amuma, my daughter, you asked an interesting question. Onye ajụjụ adịghị efu ụzọ, meaning that a child who asks questions will never get lost. The goddess loves people with pure hearts. People who are pure in spirit. He loves someone who is not self-centered. A person who thinks more of others more than herself. Above all, that person must pledge her life to the river. No children, no husband. You will remain so until you die. When the person dies, the role of the priestess will now go to another family.
I understand, Nne, and I'm ready to give up everything for the power of the rivers.
Are you sure?
Listen.
Moreover, your sister Oleu, she's your elder sister. She stands a better chance to be chosen by the goddess.
Nne, I have always followed you. All Oledo does is to gather herbs and heal the sick. Nne, I know the ways of the river better.
Let us leave everything in the hands of the gods. The goddess is in a better position to choose who will serve her well.
I am sure they will choose me.
Let the will of the gods be done.
Papa. Tell me more about the river goddess. The one that speaks with the river. Will I ever be able to do so?
If the spirit calls you my daughter, it's because we have respect for the river. And if after the reign of the present priestess, you might be choosing to be the next priestess.
Daisy, that's what the elders say. Life moves in a circle, just like the moon. Today is their turn. Tomorrow might be us. So let's just live well and respect the spirit.
Well, if the water chooses me, then I'll speak to the goddess to send us enough rain for our farm.
That's a good thought, my daughter. But remember, great powers comes with responsibility, like a big load on your head.
Ada, the sun is soon set. Go and prepare something for us to eat.
Okay.
Here.
Your sister will be goddess.
By all means, yes. Our family.
Greetings, Oleu, daughter of Nei. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine. I can see the gods favored you today.
Yes. The gods are faithful, as you can see. I see you are wedding.
Yes, I am.
Oh, okay. I will see you.
Greetings, great hunter.
Greetings.
Your skill is evident. The villagers will soon need your fresh meat. Perhaps you could bring your fresh meat to the priestess first.
Priestess, it would be my honor to share what the hunt provides with the village. I have to take my leave now.
My daughters, step into the water. You know why we are here today. We are here so that the river goddess can make her choice between the both of you. Whoever she chooses today will become the priestess of our community. Remember what I told you. The person will not get married. She will not have children of her own. So that when she dies, the role of the priestess of this community will now leave our family to another family. I hope I've made myself clear. Are you ready for this task? Oleu, Amuma. Okay, mon nebina mili. Okay, mon nini na bogyo. Ogelugo mgbe ije Emeka isi kpaa ya maka na ụka kpalakpa bụ isi ka eji ekwe ya. Anya kala ka dị eli nwa ngwụlọ na ọkụ ịgụnyelụ m n'aka na ogbelegbu m o. N'iyi
your hunting skills are unmatched. Unmatched. This village feeds me all because of you.
And your farming feeds us all as well.
That's it.
You know, we can make a good team in this village.
Indeed. Speaking about team.
Yes?
Have you seen the way Oleu looks at you? You've noticed it.
Of course I do. And I look at her too.
Settle.
But, Ajuze,
What is it?
I don't think I can do that.
Why?
Because you know the history. You know the history of our community. And the part of the priestess is a lonely one. Have you not noticed that?
True. But love always finds its way. No matter what, love always finds its way. You turn around, you come back. So don't give up.
Don't give up. Don't give up.
If you say so.
The great hunter of this village.
Let me hurry up so that
Sharpen it.
we can get next to the bush.
No problem. No problem. Can I help you?
This is what I know how to do best. Have you forgotten?
Continue.
The fever is not breaking at all. Nne, I prepared some herbs to help you regain your strength. Let me go and get it. Eh? Fidra, please look after her. Okay.
Mother, so this is how you meet your end. I've always stood by your side. Practice and recite all incantations. But you allowed the water spirit to choose Oleu as the next priestess. But I won't let this happen. I'm sorry for what I'm about to do.
Yeah, let's take it to your hut.
Today, our mother, Nei, joins her ancestors, and her spirits now walk with them.
According to ancient customs, Oleu, the firstborn, must prepare for sanctification. She will now take over her mother's place as the next priestess.
With respect to our tradition and memory of my mother, I must say I cannot accept this role. My path is a different direction, and I do not seek this power. I have never desired to be a priestess.
Then I will accept. I am ready to serve as the next priestess to our people.
In that case, we are going to perform rituals so that Amoma will take over as the next priestess of Anuku Kingdom.
Hola. How are you?
I'm fine.
I saw this bead and I thought it would be nice on you.
I'll wear it on special occasions.
That's nice.
I like it so much, thank you. You know, you see beauty in quiet place like I do.
Yes. You see, Oledo, being near you just like finding peace by the river. Yes, your heart shines like the sun on top of the water.
That's so sweet of you. You always have the right words to make me smile.
Thank you. But I must say, the way your sister looks at me, I don't think she's happy for our union.
Don't let that bother you. In few days she will be crowned the water priestess, and that will make her take her eyes off you for good.
Okay.
I'll be coming to your hut tonight.
Really? I can't wait to have you around.
Greetings, great hunter.
Greetings, Amuma. What do I...
I brought you food and fruits. A great hunter needs a good food.
Thank you. This is very kind of you.
The community appreciates your hunting skills, and I appreciate a strong, brave, hardworking man. You know what? Calm down. Let me take care of you.
Oleu, I think you should take it easy on yourself. Oh. Perhaps his horn took him further than usual. Don't worry yourself. Oh.
Ifejora, it's not just the time. It's a feeling. It's like a shadow has fallen between us. He does not look at me the same way lately. Hmm? Yes, Ifejora, it's like when he looks at me, he sees something else. I can't just explain it.
Hi. I think we should wait.
Thank you.
Today, we consecrate you, Amoma, the daughter of Ni, as a priestess of this great land, Anugu. May the gods guide your steps.
Repeat after me. Promise to serve your people.
I promise to serve my people.
Promise to walk the path of the last priestess.
I promise to walk the path of the last priestess.
Alone and devoted.
Alone and devoted.
Promise not to marry or make any family.
I promise not to marry or make any family.
And so shall it be.
Do you ever think about what the future holds, Ajuze?
I try not to. The present is a gift, and we have each other and our village. So that is enough.
You are wise, my friend. And thank you for your friendship.
Thank you also for yours, my brother. You're a true brother to me.
So, I heard the position of the priestess will get to your family after this present regime.
Yes, my brother. I might live to witness it. Or I might not live to witness it. But nevertheless, it is a good thing. My family will soon be a powerful name in this village.
It is going to be a great news.
Yes, indeed.
Ajuziog.
Oh, my brother.
My very good friend.
Good morning, my beloved sister. How are you?
You should now refer to me as the great priestess. Good morning, my great priestess. How are you? You see, it's better.
I don't understand. Even mother was a great priestess, but we still refer to her as mother. What's so special about yours?
Everything. Everything is so special. Give honor to whom honor is due. Well, sister, I'm thinking of making Ifediora my second name. What do you think?
Amoma, you dare not. You dare not!
Relax. It's just a joke. Anyway, have a nice day, sister. Sit down.
Mama, what are you doing here? I waited for you at the river.
I should be asking you that, sister. Can't you see you are interrupting a good time?
Amoma, why him? Amoma, can't you choose another man in this village? Does it have to be him?
Yes, it had to be him. And for your information, he loves me. Oma, tell her.
I love Amoma.
Say it again.
I love Amoma.
Say it again!
I love Amoma.
You see? So you should leave.
Why him? Why now? This power is demanding everything. But can I truly give up him? No, no. Ever since I stepped my feet into his heart, I've always wished for him more and more. No, I have to change things. I cannot live this lonely life. No.
Nine, is there truly no way to undo this ritual? To take back this staff? Nine, I found out that I cannot follow this path. The sacrifice is too much on me.
The river's choice. Once unsealed by the ancient rites, it cannot easily be reversed. My daughter, the thread to the spirit world cannot be untangled. The ritual binds you to this path now.
But perhaps, Nine, I was too hasty. I did not understand the weight of this commitment.
The weight of leadership is heavy, my child. It requires sacrifice. My daughter, you accepted before the goddess and our ancestors.
To see you. Can't bear this life, this power, everything. Mama, I can give up everything just to be with you.
What are you saying, Amoma? What is going on? What happened between us? It wasn't right. I was not myself, and you know it.
But Mama, I love you. See, Mama, I can do everything for you. I can even give up this priesthood for you.
Amoma, the river has chosen you. Your duty is to protect your people. My pact is different. Can't you understand it? I cannot do anything with you.
Then if you cannot do anything with me, I'm staying here. I'm not going anywhere. Cannot deny what we felt. The connection, it was real. Don't let this tradition take away our happiness.
What we felt? What we felt? It was under a shadow. Amoma, you know I've always loved Oleu. She's the one I love. Please, just go back to your duty. You have a lot to do.
You didn't think of Oleu when my embrace kept you warm. You didn't think of her when I provided you with fruits, food and protection. Listen, Oma. I can easily use my power on you. But no, I want you to feel the genuine connection. Because if you don't, I'm not going to leave your heart.
People of Anuku, the priestess has abandoned her duty, and this has never happened in this kingdom.
Elders, they say she's with Onwa the hunter. I thought the priestess cannot have a husband.
The river will be angry with us. We shall all suffer.
That is it. Now listen. We must find her and remind her of her sacred vows. Do you understand me?
Yes.
Do you understand me?
Yes.
Youth of Anuku, I want you to go to the hut of Onwa and bring her back here now.
Yes.
Go!
Go!
Let's go.
What is wrong with her?
I mean, our priestess going to stay with a man.
This is unbelievable. Has she forgotten her vows?
Priestess, the elders command that you return to the shrine.
I've told you all that I'm not going anywhere. So just leave me alone.
My priestess, you need to follow us immediately. We have our orders.
I command you all to leave my presence now.
I'm sorry, priestess. You have to come with us, or we will use force on you. I can't now. You have to come with us.
I promise you all, this community will regret this.
Let's go.
The youth of Anuku, you are welcome.
No.
Amuma, the daughter of Ni. Please, kindly go inside and take back your staff for the sake of the people of this kingdom. Please.
I have already told you now that I do not wish to continue this position. I do not wish to live this lonely life. And I have found love and I want to be with him.
You love who? Love. What are you talking about? Now, listen attentively. Onwa has committed an abomination by laying with you, the priestess, and he must be punished.
Yes.
Yes, Onwa will be punished, but please, let her go and pick the staff for the sake of our people.
If you lay a finger on Onwa, I promise you, this community will suffer.
Go inside and pick the staff, or I will ask the youths to force you inside. Now go.
Yes. Youth leader, you can now go. We will discuss what will happen to Onwa.
But meanwhile, I want to thank all of you. This has shown that you have this community. Yeah. Go back to your village. This sickness, it takes our strength like the Hamatan wind steals from the trees. Ajuzogo.
Papa.
How is she?
Papa, she's not getting any better, Papa. Her body is getting worse, Papa. Papa, since the priestess abandoned the old ways, I think the river must be angry at us, Papa. Like, see about getting worse. She's not getting any better, no sign.
What do I do? My daughter, how are you feeling?
Papa, I feel so weak. I'm so weak and tired.
I need to do something because I can't lose my daughter. I need to do something. sickness has been killing our children.
When did our illness start?
Some few days ago, and your sister has refused to treat her. As I speak to you, I'm just coming from your home.
I will talk to her.
Please do. Thank you. Thank you, Oleu.
Oleu, my daughter. Amuma, my beloved daughter, killed me. She poisoned me. Her quest for power has consumed her. Oleu, you are the true heart of this river. The staff beckons on you.
Mother, I have missed you so much. But you know I have no desire for this. I don't want this. Besides, Amuma has already been made the priestess.
Oleu, embrace your destiny. Embrace your destiny. The fate of this great village depends on you.
Yes. No.
No, I want to discuss something with you.
It's okay. Come and sit.
Nani, I understand now that I must embrace my true calling. I have to stop Amuma and cleanse the village.
Oleu, your words bring light in this dark time. What must be done?
The river. We need its powers to clean the darkness in this village. Nanya, I need your guidance to perform the ancient rituals to restore balance in this village.
We will guide you. Our ancestors will guide us. You can now go.
Oleu, please, forgive me. I don't know what came over me. It was just like a dark cloud falling on my mind. I totally lost myself. Please. You know I've always loved you. You know my heart belongs to you. But now I see the community needs you as much as I do. And you have a duty to do.
I know. I know. My mother's spirit has spoken to me. The darkness in this village, it must be stopped. And I know what to do.
Oh, wow. I know I'll find you here. Don't tell me you're still thinking about Oleu.
Of course. As if I have a choice.
Brother, she will bring healing to our village and a light to our eyes.
A light?
Yes.
A light that may never shine for me.
Don't lose hope. See, the river flows in a mysterious way. Perhaps one day, it might come back.
There is no one day. Ajuze, there is no one day. Her path is clear now. Her path is very clear to me. She has a bigger purpose in life. I mean, I am just like a needle in the ocean of things that matters. Can't you see it?
Don't give up. Don't give up. Oleu loves you. And she will come around. Don't give up. Don't give up. You are a great hunter. So you don't give up like that. She will surely come around.
Visited me at the river. You poisoned her. Amuma, how could you? You allowed your hunger for power lead you to darkness and murder.
You cannot prove anything. It was sickness.
Sickness? Amuma, the river knows. The ancestors know. And I know. But I will not let myself become like you. I will not allow darkness consume me as it consumed you.
Not if I consume you first.
Powerless. You see? You cannot even conjure up a small attack. The power you craved, you misused. You turned your back against the very people you were supposed to protect. And now the river has withdrawn its favor from you. Amuma, you are no longer the priestess. I will not kill you because you are my sister. But now I banish you from this land. Leave and never return. Leave!
She's you. She's you. Papa, she's you, Papa. Papa, she's you, Papa. Are you okay? Papa, she's you. Thank you. Thank you. Papa, she's you. She's back, Papa. Hey. Don't. Papa, she's you, Papa. Stop. It's okay. Help me hold this one, no problem. In case this one finishes. Yes. Thank you. To friendship, Onwa.
Friendship.
And to the brave Oleu, who saved our village.
Yes. To Oleu, may her heart find peace. And may our community never see such darkness again.
The gods are wise. Wise indeed.
Very, very good. This is the best palm wine in this village.
Very, very good.
Yes.
You know, my brother, I always admire your courage and strength.
And your wisdom, your gentle heart.
My brother.
We balance each other.
Perfectly said.
Just like the sun and the moon. That reminds me. What about your sister, Adeze?
She is completely well. In fact, she is healed. All thanks to Oleu.
Let us drink to that.